Okay, so if you watched the last video, and you really need to, about velveteen chicken, I'm going to go through the ingredients now to make the kung po chicken and cashew nuts. First, I'm going to make my secret sauce. Well, it's not really secret, but it's a good sauce. Um, and you can see I've got a set of scales in front of me because usually I eyeball it, but I'm going to weigh it so I know exactly how much to tell you what goes in. So I'm going to start off with sweet chili sauce. Now this is Yo's. As I say, I don't really like recommending brands, but this is probably the best chili sauce I've found, and I've tried a lot of them. So I'm going to start off with this in the jug. I've managed to get the top off using my enormous strength. Yeah, man, that's not quite enough. But fortunately, I have another bottle at my disposal. Right, so that's 130 grams or milliliters, because 1 gram equals 1 milliliter, and 1 milliliter equals 1 gram. You know that, right? Now, the other ingredient is Sriracha hot chili sauce. And I only ever use the Flying Goose brand. It's readily available anywhere. Oh, the Yo's sweet chili sauce is available in most Asian shops or online. I buy mine online, and I buy a pack of 6 because it's the cheapest way of doing it. So now I'm going to put in some uh, sriracha. Just let me quickly tear that out. Get a shake. Oof. Oh, it's not going so well for me, this, is it? But anyway, you get to see it all. That's the main thing. Yeah, that looks about right. So 50 grams of sriracha chili sauce. What I'm going to do is give it a little stir. I'm just going to have a little taste of this. Ooh, yeah, that's good. That's really good. It's very spicy, but it's not overpoweringly spicy. And my other secret ingredient is a little squirt of tomato ketchup. So, what we got now? So that's 20 grams or 20 milliliters of Heinz tomato ketchup. Doesn't have to be Heinz. No, wait, it does have to be Heinz because it's probably the best tomato ketchup. So that is the sauce made. We'll come back and go through the other ingredients just in a moment. So here's all the ingredients together now. We've got the chili sauce, we've got onions, as you can see, cut into like nice chunks. That's a similar size to the chicken. We've got some ginger garlic, finely chopped. We've got some red peppers that are about the same size as the onions and the chicken. And we've got 60 grams of cashew nuts. It doesn't matter how many cashew nuts you put in as many as you like. Or if you obviously if you have a nut allergy, then don't put them in, because otherwise you'll swell up and burst, and it could end badly. And so we're kind of ready to start cooking now. So I'm going to clear out and get ready to show you how we cook this dish. Okay, so we're ready to start cooking. I've got this on maximum heat. You can see it starting to smoke. So I'm going to put in some ginger and garlic. I'm immediately going to throw in the onion. There's some ginger and garlic left. There's some ginger and garlic left because I'm going to use it in the rice. Give that a little stir. Wow, it's really hot. So I'm going to put in the pepper. And now I'm going to put in the pre-cooked chicken, the velvety chicken. That smells absolutely phenomenal. And now I'm going to put in the cashew nuts. Get a good stir. Still on like high heat, 14. That's well, I say 14. My cook goes up to 14. I'm going to leave this running at real time so you can see exactly what happens. This smells absolutely gorgeous. So what I'm going to do now is just add a little bit of soy sauce. Again, I don't like to recommend brands, but I use Lee Kum Kee soy sauce. It's one of the best soy sauces. It's better than Kikkoman, but just my opinion. A little bit, just a little dash. The chicken is looking absolutely superb, and the smell is pretty phenomenal. So what I'm going to do now is add the chili sauce that we made earlier. So you're seeing this exactly how it happens. Yeah, look at that. The chicken is now cooked. That is absolutely fabulous. I'm going to turn the heat off because that's ready. Just like a few minutes and it's completely ready. So I'm just going to move this over and we'll pop it in the so I hope you can see that. Kung Po chicken and cashew nuts. It is absolutely beautiful. Can you see that? Oh, it's sweet, it's spicy, and it's ready to go. I'm just going to pop that in the oven to keep warm. And there we have it, really. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. That was the Kung Po chicken and cashew nuts using the velveted chicken recipe that I uploaded earlier. I hope you've seen that. You need to give that a go. I know it seems like a lot of faff, but it's really worth it because the difference, as I've said before, is absolutely night and day. So next up is going to be an Indian dish, chicken biryani in the Hyderabadi style. Just look that up. But I'm going to put my own twist on it, my own recipe. It has an Iranian influence. There's some special ingredients which may be a bit of a challenge for you to find, but I'll tell you where you can find them anyway. I can't put links into the description at the moment because I don't have enough likes or it's not been long enough. YouTube's a bit strange. So that's what the next one's going to be. So I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.